2006 Triumph Bonneville. This bike's a killer value. It's a great bike, a lot of fun. It's your basic motorcycle. You hop on it and you smile a lot. It's not the fastest thing out there, but it's most likely faster than whatever car you drive. You can see the bike's not slow. It definitely accelerates, definitely a lot of fun. If you're a new rider, it might give you a sensation of, wow, this thing's really pulling hard. If you've been riding fast bikes for a long time, it doesn't, but it's still fun.